Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Netlify build settings and environment variables, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Netlify build settings and environment variables, start by logging into your Netlify account. Navigate to the site dashboard for the project you want to modify. In the left-hand menu, click on Site Settings. Scroll down to find the Build and Deploy section. Click on Build Settings to access the build configuration. You will see options for the build command in Published directory. Modify the build command as necessary for your project requirements. Next, locate the environment section within the build settings. Click on Edit Variables to manage your environment variables. To add a new variable, click on Add Variable. In the Key field, enter the name of your variable. In the Value field, input the corresponding value for the variable. If you need to edit an existing variable, simply click on its name. Make your required changes to the key or value. To remove a variable, click on the trash icon next to it. After making updates to your environment variables, ensure to save your changes. Return to the Build Settings page to check all updates. Once you are satisfied, scroll to the top of the page. Click Deploys from the left side menu to initiate a new deployment. Confirm the settings are correct and click Trigger Deploy. Choose Deploy Site to apply your changes and start a new build. Monitor the build process to ensure everything functions as expected. Once the deployment is complete, revisit your site to verify the updates are live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.